How do you make a woman feel attracted to you, even when she shows zero interest? Because here's the truth. The more effort most men give, the less attraction they get. Intro, curiosity plus problem. Hi, I'm Lauren, and today I'm going to show you 7 psychological triggers that create a real desire, but listen carefully. You're not failing because you're doing everything wrong. You're failing because you're doing the right things, in the wrong order. Attraction doesn't follow logic. It follows emotion, core idea, mindset shift. While you're trying to impress her with effort, her mind is scanning for something deeper. Not words, not promises, but signals. Once you understand these signals, you stop chasing, and you become the man she starts chasing. Trigger number 1. Masculine presence. This has nothing to do with looks. It's about energy. Do you look calm or needy? Do you take space or shrink yourself? A man who is relaxed, grounded, and not seeking approval instantly stands out. Because calm confidence is rare, and rare equals attractive. Trigger number 2. Emotional challenge. Most men try to agree with everything. Big mistake. Attraction needs tension, not constant approval. Example, she says, "I love waking up early." You say, smiling, "Really? You look like someone who hit snooze 5 times." Playful, confident, different. That creates spark. Trigger number 3. Selective attention. This is where most men lose. They reply instantly, always available. Drop everything for her, and that kills attraction. A man with a life is attractive. A man who revolves around her is not when your time has value. She starts valuing it too. Trigger number 4. Intentional listening. Not just hearing, but remembering. When you recall small details about her later, you instantly stand out. Example, she once said she loves flowers. Days later you say, "I saw something today that reminded me of you." That creates emotional connection, and connection builds attraction. Trigger number 5. Controlled vulnerability. You don't need to act perfect. You need to be real. But here's the key. Be open without being weak. Be honest without complaining. Confidence plus honesty equals trust, and trust leads to desire. Trigger number 6. Light physical. Touch attraction isn't just mental, it's physical. Small moments matter. Light touch on the arm. Gentle contact during laughter. Nothing forced, but these moments create comfort plus connection. Trigger number 7. Controlled unpredictability. Most powerful. This is the one almost nobody uses correctly. The brain loves uncertainty. Always available equals boring. Slight mystery equals addictive. Sometimes you lead. Sometimes you pull back. Sometimes warm. Sometimes playful. Not confusing, just unpredictable enough to keep her thinking about you. Final message. Power close. Now understand this. Attraction isn't about trying harder. It's about triggering the right emotions. Stop chasing, start positioning, because when you do this right, you don't convince her to like you. She starts feeling it on her own. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe, because what I'm going to share next will take this to a whole different level.